Hey travel lovers, welcome back to Travel with Damal Consult, the place where we turn every trip into an adventure you'll never forget. Today's going to be delicious. We're in Tokyo, and I'm about to take you on a flavor journey to discover the most unique ice cream flavors you absolutely have to try in Japan, 2025 edition. Now you might be thinking, ice cream? I've had matcha, I've had vanilla. What's the big deal? Oh no. Tokyo takes ice cream to a whole new level. We're talking sesame so rich it feels like velvet, sake-flavored scoops with a little boozy kick, even ice cream topped with tiny fish. Yes, fish. So buckle up, or maybe I should say loosen that belt, because we're going to eat our way through the quirkiest, creamiest, and most Instagram-worthy flavors this city has to offer. And before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. It really helps our community of curious travelers grow. Alright, time to taste Tokyo, one scoop at a time. Our first stop is legendary, Nanaya X Suzukian, right here in Asakusa. This place is famous for the world's richest matcha ice cream. And when they say rich, they mean it. They actually have 7 intensity levels. Level 1 is smooth and light, but level 7, whoa. That's basically pure green tea in frozen form. It's so intense the green is almost black. Here's a little tip. Order a double scoop with a level 7 matcha and something milder, like roasted green tea or milk. That way, you can appreciate just how deep that matcha flavor goes. Price-wise, it's around 560 yen for 2 scoops, about $4 US. Not bad for a cone of pure green tea bliss. And yes, you might have to wait in line, but trust me, it's worth every second. Next up, we're in Omotesando at Gomayakuki, the Sesame Kingdom of Tokyo. This place specializes in sesame ice cream so rich, they actually use the equivalent of 9,000 sesame seeds in a single scoop. You can go for white sesame, black sesame, or my personal favorite, double black sesame for that deep, nutty, almost earthy punch. They even do a salty sesame option if you want that sweet, savory magic. Pro tip, go for the 2 flavor set, it's about 500 yen. It's perfect for comparing the black and white sesame side by side. And don't forget to take a close-up shot for Instagram. Those jet black scoops look unreal. Alright, tea lovers, you're going to want to bookmark this, Shavati in Harajuku. This is a tea cafe with a specialty in hojicha, or roasted green tea. The flavor is smoky, nutty, warm. It's comfort food in ice cream form. It's not overly sweet, and the roasted notes make it feel grown up. This is the kind of ice cream you could eat on a chilly evening and still feel cozy. Travel tip. Harajuku gets insanely busy on weekends. If you can, swing by on a weekday morning. You'll get your ice cream without having to elbow your way through crowds. Over in Ebisu, we've got Japanese ice uka. This place blends Japanese and Italian styles beautifully. They serve flavors like kinako with black honey, black sesame, and Kyoto cinnamon cookie. And here's the fun part. They always give you a wafer and a little side of salty shio konbu to cleanse your palate. This means you can enjoy a bite of sweet, then a little salty, and go back for more without getting flavor fatigue. Budget-wise, a 3-flavor set here runs about 600 yen, so you can try multiple without breaking the bank. Now here's something I bet you've never tried. Vegetable ice cream. Welcome to Yasegashi in Azabu Juban, where they use veggies like avocado, tomato, spinach, even celery. It sounds weird, but it works. The tomato matcha spinach combo is surprisingly refreshing. And hey, technically you're getting your vegetables in, so it's kind of healthy, right? Pro tip, these flavors change seasonally, so ask the staff what's new when you visit. Ready for the wild stuff? In Ikabukuro's Namja town, you'll find Ice Cream City. This is where you can try flavors like curry, shark fin, and even beef tongue ice cream. Some are delicious, some are, let's just say, adventurous. But hey, it's all part of the fun, and it's indoors, so it's perfect for a rainy Tokyo day. This is a monster. At Daily Chico in Nakano Broadway, they serve an 8-flavor giant soft serve. We're talking strawberry, mocha, vanilla, chocolate, banana, sakura, matcha, and ramune soda, stacked high like a frozen skyscraper. It's only 550 yen, but you'll want to share with a friend, or 2. And eat quickly. Tokyo heat and gravity are not your friends here. Over in Yaesu, Sakichi is the spot for sake-flavored ice cream. The alcohol content is mild, but the flavor is full-bodied and smooth. It's perfect if you want something a little grown-up after dinner. Just remember, 21 and over for this one. Okay, brace yourself. Shirasu ice cream. Yes, that's tiny white-bait fish sprinkled over vanilla ice cream. Salty, sweet, and super local to Enoshima. It's one of those try-it-once things. And hey, you might love it. Finally, a flavor that surprises everyone. Soy sauce ice cream. Instead of being salty, it actually tastes a bit like caramel. You can find it at some museum cafes or food fairs around Tokyo. And that, my friends, is Tokyo's ice cream scene in all its quirky, creamy glory. From sesame and matcha to sake and shirasu, there's truly something for every adventurous foodie here. Which flavor are you brave enough to try? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious which one's got your taste buds tingling. And hey, if you enjoyed exploring Tokyo's coolest ice cream spots with me today, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. It helps our travel community grow and keeps these sweet adventures coming. Until next time, this is Travel with Damal Consult, reminding you, keep exploring and keep eating adventurously.